some chicken duck when I bought by the island over there. Yeah.
Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
Yes. Ano no? Ano? Oo, ma-fog. This is our tour guide.
Okay na to?
Okay na yan, nag-play na yan.
Hello guys, nandito po kami sa Bridge Hill Cafe. Woo! Ay, di ba?
Ako lang ang picture naman dito.
Ako naka-record na.
Ano ba? Mag-picture muna kami.
Kasi yung picture daw muna sila. Picture daw muna sila.
So, nandito kami sa Bridge Hill Cafe. So, ngayon, nag-order sila ng food.
Tsaka si Nefay. Hello! Si Nefay.
And Isaiah. Hello guys. And Jizreel. This is Jizreel.
Nakakawala sa mga reactors. Kaya mas prefer nyo talaga yung hindi talaga kaya.
Anong lugar nyo dito, sir?
Kausok.
Ganda, no?
Oo. Dito po tayo sa farm ng ating guide. Ito po, ito yung farm niya. Meron po tayong mga lansones. Ayun, nagsusungkit ng lansones yung aming guide. Para baunin namin napuntang Cholan Lake.
Island ba yan?
Not island, it's a lake. Surrounded by beautiful rock formations.
Wow, I'm so excited.
Ang saya lang.
Yes.
Enjoy lang tayo.
No matter where I go, I could never let you go.
Hi, Beth.
Way back, I'm all alone. You got a hold of my Just stay where you are. You know I won't be too long.
Every thought it gets me, put me in a fragile state.
We can eat some chicken duck when I bought by the island over there. Yeah.
For a second, I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now. You are what I waited for. Oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad.
Parang ganda ha?
Nasa toilet? Nakita mo agad?
Ayun, ito yun.
Yay!
Ang maganda kasi sa nauna ko.
May wifi no, wala namang internet, wala namang signal.
Ano yun? Parang may ano.
Kumulak, tapos yung sahig, ano, yung kawayan.
I feel crazy.
Hindi meron wala.
Ito yata yung
Parang may AC to oh. To no?
Kasi
Oo.
pero yung ano,
Kaso may kuryente.
pero hindi tayo dyan, ay mamahaling kasi dyan dito tayo.
Okay na rin.
parang school lang siya. Or pabahay mo, parang ka magtuturo.
Bahay ni Mayor.
Yay!
Ikaw magrentang yan ha. Yan, pwede mo kayo puntaan doon ni Isaiah.
Kaya dalawin ko kayo.
Wow.
Someday, someday.
Kasi natang grupo natin ha.
Oo.
Lahat sa lang tingin eh.
Oo. Yes, Chan. Yeah. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers, Sai. Medyo mo to. Cheers.
Cheers. Yes.
Brought to you by
Chan.
Baliktad.
Baliktad. Okay lang. Weekend. Fighting in their guns and their guns and their bombs and their bombs in your head, they're fighting. What's in your head? Someday, someday, someday. Yes. Good job. I love it. Yan, ito yung toilet nila sa gabi. Madilim na at yun na yung karagatan. Hindi na siya makita. Ayan, kompleto na tayo.
You know that one? Oh. Yeah. ามใดคลื่นลมดีตายพลา
Super ganda dito. So, ito, pauwi na ako ngayon. Yan sila, yung mga kasama kong Pinoy na init. Pero masaya. Super ganda. Yan, ito yung rough house na tinuluyan namin for a night. For one night. Yan.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around. Yeah.
Say hello! Sige, talon! Yay! Si Kuya Michael. Kuya Michael, talon! Yes! 22! Wow!
Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Haon ka na? Kaya nga yan, ewan ko dyan yan. Ayan mo. Oo, Kalawang. Ganda ka. Hello mga kabibi, sabi mo. Ang ganda ng ano, ng bundok habang nag-ano kayo dyan.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around. Yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
Ito yung tinuluyan namin. Rough house. Ito yung sa kasama namin sa kabila. Ito namin. Yan. Ito mga damit namin, ang sampay. Yan. Wear your life jacket. Let's swim until 6 p.m. up to 6 a.m. Then ito. Ito natin. Yan. So this looks like. Ito yung bed ko. Ito yung maluwag sa akin. Ito yung sa kasama ko.
You are what I waited for. Oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. Oh, 'cause you're my one love, one love. And I'm not saying lies, you're the one in my heart, my heart. You make me feel alive, I feel crazy when you make me smile, smile. Feel again, fly, fly. One love, one love. And I'm not saying lies, I feel crazy.
Ganda ng fog.
Good morning na ito.
Gusto ko ganitong klaseng tela.
Ha?
Gusto ko ganitong klaseng tela kasi
Oo.
sa...
Anong tela to? Hindi ko alam eh. Cotton, hindi.
Mas okay nga to kaysa yung merong parang plastic, di ba?
Ayoko yun.
Yung talbog yung pawis.
Dapat may dala kong baso na.
Ang nakakaganda dito yung mga puno-puno na ganyan, no?
Oo nga, yan.
Mga nakatanim na patay na. Ayun. Yun. Maganda yung nasa harap mo. Maganda yung formation ng mountain. Ano oras ito? Nakakaisip naman, wala akong phone. Ayun.
Dito nakapag-picture.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around. Yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah.
So you're we're going back to our home. Yeah. It's the memories here. Ang ganda lang. Uwian na, guys.
Don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause I don't think that I have it in my soul to keep letting go. You hold me real tight, kiss me hard another time. Be my fire for tonight, and then I'll let you
Hello?
Ano to?
Bilbel.
Aganda. Oo nga, no? Punta sana tayo doon, di ba? Ang layo kasi. Isong pa.
Sorry, so na yung time na papasyal ko dito yung ano ko, mga kapatid ko. Frequent.
So, bumalik dito. Ako gusto mo itong bumalik.